Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Faiza Naqvi. Today we are going to study English for class 2 and this is my second lecture. Unit number 12, Seasons. Dear students, you know there are 4 seasons in a year. Number 1, summer. Number 2, winter. Number 3, spring. And number 4 is autumn. Number 1 is summer. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. During summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter. During the summer, the weather is very hot and warm. It is the time when the schools are closed for the summer vacations. Number 2 is winter. Winter is very cold and chilly season. The wind becomes soft and cool. People wear warm clothes and like hot drinks like coffee, soup and tea. Number 3 is spring. During spring season, days become bit longer and weather becomes pleasant. All trees are covered with new leaves, flowers start blooming and birds start singing on the branches of the tree. Number 4 is autumn. Autumn is the middle season of summer and winter. It comes after the summer and before the winter. This season is known as the fall season. The tree leaves start getting yellow, orange and red. Now open page number 94 of English book and start reading Seasons. Here we go round the year again to greet the different seasons. Winter time is time for snow. It's too cold for plants to grow. In the springtime, days get warm. On the plants, the new buds form. In the summertime, days are hot. Ice cold drinks I drink a lot. Autumn is here, the air is cool. Days are short, it's back to school. Dictation words. Number 1 is birthday. Number 2, scissors. Number 3, wishes. Number 4, excited. And number 5 is effort. Now open page 95. Question number 1. Read the given words with their meanings. Number 1, greet, welcome. Number 2, bird, a small growth that becomes a plant. Number 3, form, grow or produce. Page number 95 again. Words common to English and Urdu. Some English words are used in Urdu also. For example, fridge, pen, truck, sticker and cake. प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि कुछ अल्फाज ऐसे होते हैं जो कि उर्दू और इंग्लिश में एक ही तरह लिखे जाते हैं. Now open page number 96 and question number 5. Write Urdu words for the given English words. Number 1, cycle. जैसा कि आपको नजर आ रहा है कि इंग्लिश में साइकिल लिखा हुआ है और उर्दू में भी इसको साइकिल ही लिखा जाएगा। ट्यूब ट्यूब, टिश्यू टिश्यू, पेन पेन। इन सब अल्फाज को उर्दू और इंग्लिश में एक जैसा ही लिखा जाता है। कॉफी कॉफी, स्वेटर स्वेटर, पिज्जा पिज्जा, टेप टेप। Now we will start answer these questions. Page number 96. Question number 1. How many seasons are there in a year? Name them. Answer. There are 4 seasons in a year. Number 1. Winter. Number 2. Spring. Number 3. Summer. And number 4 is autumn. Question number 2. Which season has cold days? Can you play outdoor games in that season? Answer. Winter season has cold days. We can play outdoor games if it is sunny. Question number 3. In which season do new plants grow? Answer. New plants grow in the spring season. Question number 4. Which season do you like the most? Why? Answer. I like spring season the most as many flowers grow in it. Question number 5. Look at your surroundings and write names of 5 blessings of Allah. Answer. The sun, flowers, fruits, vegetables, and water. Now page number 97. Read the following question and answer them. Question number 1. What are the names of seasons? मौसमों के नाम क्या हैं? Number 1. Winter, सर्दी. Number 2. Spring, बहार. Number 3. Summer, गर्मी. And number 4 is autumn, खिज़ां. Question number 2. Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? The answer is I live in Islamabad. Page number 98 and question number 3. Who is your favorite teacher? आपका पसंदीदा टीचर कौन है? The answer is My favorite teacher is Miss या Mr. इसके आगे मैंने डैश बच्चों इस वजह से लगाई है कि जो भी आपके फेवरेट टीचर हैं आप उनका नाम लिखेंगे, मिस या मिसेस. Question number 4. Which month do your summer holidays start? गर्मियों की छुट्टियां, आपकी गर्मियों की छुट्टियां कौन से महीने में शुरू होती हैं? The answer is My summer holidays starts in June. मेरी गर्मियों की छुट्टियां जून में शुरू होती हैं. And the last question is When is your birthday? Write the month. आपका पैदाइश का दिन कौन सा है? Write the month. महीना लिखें. The answer is my birthday is in dash. मैंने यहाँ पे बच्चों डैश इस वजह से लगाई है कि हर इंसान का पैदाइश का महीना एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ होता है। तो प्यारे बच्चों, आपकी बर्थडे या पैदाइश का जो भी महीना है वो आप इस डैश में लिखेंगे। Rhyming words. Rhyming words have the same ending sound. प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि मैंने आपको अपने पहले लेक्चर में भी बताया कि राइमिंग वर्ड्स क्या होते हैं। इनको उर्दू में हम आवाज अल्फाज कहा जाता है। वो अल्फाज जिनकी आवाज एक जैसी होती है। उर्दू में इनको हम आवाज अल्फाज और इंग्लिश में इनको राइमिंग वर्ड्स कहा जाता है। The question number 2. Read the given rhyming words. Number 1 is snow, grow. Number 2, hot, lot. Number 3, cool, school. Question number 3. Read the poem and circle the pairs of rhyming words. Use a pair to make sentences of your own. इस नज़म को पढ़ें और rhyming words के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं। नज़म में rhyming words हैं snow, grow, warm, form, hot, lot, cool, school. Use a pair to make sentences of your own. Number 1 is hot. आप इनमें से किसी भी एक जोड़ा जो राइमिंग वर्ड्स का है उनको अपने अल्फाज में इस्तेमाल करें। नंबर 1 इज हॉट। हॉट का सेंटेंस क्या होगा? द टी इज हॉट। और हॉट का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या है? लॉट। और लॉट का सेंटेंस क्या होगा? I drink a lot of water in summer. प्यारे बच्चों, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको यूनिट नंबर 12 सीजन्स बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ आ गया होगा।